Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Tether's stablecoin USDT has surpassed $1 billion in circulating supply on the open network. The uptake underscores USDT's dominance among United States dollar-backed stablecoins and TON Chain's rising popularity despite setbacks to Telegram, the social media platform that created TON Chain in 2018. Intel shares jumped as a chip-making deal with Amazon's cloud business gave a major stamp of approval to its money-losing contract manufacturing business. After a near 60% slump in Intel shares this year, the deal provides some respite to strained investors in the once leading chip maker. Oil prices rose by $1 a barrel as supply disruptions mounted and traders bet that demand will grow if the US Federal Reserve lowers borrowing costs this week, as is widely expected. The last session saw the pound fall 0.4% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 3.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The US Fed interest rate decision will be released at 18 GMT. The US FOMC press conference at 18:30 GMT. The Eurozone's harmonised index of consumer prices at 9 GMT. The Austrian HICP will be released at 7 GMT. The UK's consumer price index at 6 GMT. The UK's core consumer price index at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.